So find the absolute max or minimum value for this function. We know it's a cubic. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. From -12 to like 4, right? So you have to check out. This is not the actual picture, okay? I'm just drawing some rough one. You have to check out the local max or min points as well as the endpoints. The endpoints are when x is equal to -12 or 4 this time. You gotta compare the 4 values and see which one is the highest and which one is the lowest. So you need to evaluate f at -12, f at 4, and f at the critical values. We need to find the derivative to find the critical value.
Yes.
So that's the first step. Okay. So the critical numbers are 0 and 2. Okay, which means we need to find f at 0 and f at 2. So can someone tell me what you get for f at -12?
1/8.
1/8. F at 4?
17.
0 is 1, 2 is -3. So this is the absolute maximum, and that's the absolute minimum. Okay, so absolute minimum is also the local minimum. Absolute maximum was at the end point. Okay, so you cannot assume your local max or minimum is the highest point, right? But you cannot assume that the endpoints are highest point either. But you don't need to check anything in between, right? Is there any point in checking any point in between? All the values are between this value and this value, so there's no point of checking that. Okay, so same here. If there's the highest point there, there's no point of checking any points in between here either.